Hi, this is Ashish Lamsal. I'm currently studying at Holmes Institute, Brisbane. I'm doing my Masters of Professional Accounting. My student ID is GIA8003. In this video, I'm going to talk about my report, report. The topic of my report is accounting for income tax. The assignment of corporate accounting is to understand the treatment of accounting for issues in practical environment. To properly understand the application of tax rules, we have determined the annual report of Blue Scope Steel Limited, which is listed in Australian Stock Exchange and studies the treatment of taxes. The assignments contains complete analysis of accounting profit and taxable profit and other details relating to calculation of taxes. The assignment is based on income tax issues while preparing of the financial statement. In in today's corporate world, accounting treatment of accounting has been vital portion in preparation of financial statement by the corporate houses. Since the assignment provides an opportunity to study in detail accounting treatment of income tax and link the same with Blue Scope is still limited, which is listed company in Australian Stock Exchange. The purpose of this assignment was to develop concept related to income tax and understanding how those concepts are applied by the corporates in practical, which we will be going to discuss in this report. Here we will be discussing about various concepts relating to the book profit and income tax profit, how tax is computed and how it is paid. Along with this, we shall also go through the reason for differences in tax calculated age per book and tax calculated age per taxation laws. So in simple words, we have done a detailed analysis for accounting treatment of taxes and their uses in practical by corporates. In this report, I have also explained various concepts such as accounting profit, taxable profit, and then temporary differences, taxable temporary differences, deferred deductible temporary differences, deferred tax assets, and so on. And also I have briefly explained about all those concepts, such as about talking about accounting profit. The accounting profit are profit which are calculated based on accounting records. The profit is derived all considering all the revenue when revenue from operating activities or from non-operating activities. Income from operating activities are revenue which is generated from main objectives of the company. Income from non-operating activities are those which are on other than the main objective of the company, such as sales of fixed assets, interest income, etc. Also talking about taxable profit. Taxable profit are profit which are calculated by applying the rules of taxation. Taxable profit are not very much different from the accounting profits, but the rules of taxation must apply to allow any revenue or expenditure. Basically, the revenue and the expenditure booked in books of account must satisfy the condition and regulation provided by the Tax Act of relevant company. Whereas temporary difference, where there arise conflict between the accounting rules and taxation rules for allowance of income and expenses. Some expenses may not be allowed by the tax authority in the current fiscal year, but the same will be allowed in the year to come. Temporary difference is created. The tax assets and liabilities are created because of temporary differences in allowing any revenue and expenses and revenue and expense. Also talking about the deferred tax assets, the term deferred tax assets are created when temporary differences are observed in the financial statement as per the records in the books of account and rules of income tax. In this case, the company accounting profit are lower and taxable profits are higher. In this report I have also mentioned the income statement of Blue Scope Steel Limited for year 2019, which was almost 292 million 92.7 million. From this report we can also get various knowledge regarding the condition of the Blue Scope Steel Limited, and some of them are we can gain knowledge about US tax rebound bill which was passed in the year 2017, treatment of tax losses, reporting of tax expenses in balance sheet, profit and loss account, and cash flow statement. From this report, we can conclude that the tax expenses recorded in the statement of income is the tax calculated on taxable profit for a particular accounting period, whereas the tax liability shown in the balance sheet is the next net tax payable to the tax department after making necessary adjustment. Thus, there might be a difference in both the amount. Again, the amount shown in the cash flow statement is tax expenses paid represent the total amount of tax paid by the company during the year. Deferred tax assets and liability is created for the temporary differences only as they are capable of being reversed in future. However, no deferred tax assets and liability is created for permanent differences as the same cannot be reversed in the future. Company has recorded both deferred tax liability for temporary differences, unused credit of tax and unused losses of tax. Further, company has recognized the effect of US tax bill in its deferred tax liability and income tax expenses. This is the end of my presentation video. Thank you.